Right now, there are professional squatters scouting your neighborhood looking for vacant houses that look exactly like yours. This is a way of life for them. They know the loopholes, they know the tenants' rights playbook, and they know how to make police officers walk away from your front door while they stay inside. So today, I'm going to show you 6 not so obvious pro tactics to make it extremely difficult for a professional squatter to call your property home. Let's get to work. Now, I'm sure you all understand that you need to secure all of your doors and your windows. But did you know that you can leverage your local police department for $0? Many departments have vacant house check programs. You register your property and they add it to their nightly patrol. And the biggest reason to do this is to create a paper trail. If you ever have to involve the sheriff to remove an intruder, you have official documentation proving that you have been actively managing the house. It turns a he said, she said situation into a closed case because you have legal evidence that they don't belong there. The second tactic centers around your utilities. Put a landlord reversion or do not connect order on the account. Squatters will literally try to put the power in their name to prove residency to the police. If the utility company has a flag on the account that requires your ID to make the changes, the squatter's plan dies before they even unpack a bag. Now, number 3 is a game changer. It's TV simulators. It's a tiny LED device that mimics the flickering light of a television. Place it behind a window, behind a curtain, and from the street at 2 a.m., it looks like somebody is home watching Netflix. It's a $20 piece of tech that provides 24/7 psychological deterrence. Number 4 is about a spot most people forget about. The crawl space. I've actually seen situations where people live under a house for weeks and never even try the front door. If your crawl space hatch is just a piece of plywood with a flimsy latch, you've basically left the back door wide open. Bolt it shut from the inside if there's another way out, or use a heavy-duty hasp with a weather-rated padlock. If they can't get under the house, they can't get into the house. Number 5, don't just stop the mail. Go to the post office and tell them that the property is vacant and to hold or forward everything. But here's the part that most people miss. Zip tie that mailbox shut. Use a heavy-duty black zip tie around the door and the box. Why? Because it's a physical seal. If a squatter tries to shove a fake lease or a utility bill in there to receive mail at your address, which is how they try and prove residency to the police, they have to physically break that seal. It's a clear sign of tampering. Plus, it tells any scouts driving by this property that it is being actively managed by someone who is paying attention to the details. And finally, number 6, don't just ask your neighbors to watch the house. Ask them to park their second car in the driveway if they have one. A vacant driveway is a giant neon sign that says, "I'm empty." A rotating car, sometimes there, sometimes gone, is the ultimate signal of life. Combine that with a smart bulb on a random timer, and your house looks occupied 24/7. Now, if all of this seems a little overwhelming to you and you need a little extra help figuring out what to do with your vacant property, reach out to me. Click the Work With Me link in the description below. Or if you just have a question, click the Ask Me Anything link. I read and answer each one of those questions. All right, I'm done, and I'll see you in the next video.